Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's Ron here. Today what we're going to be doing is installing and cleaning up the S2K dome light housing. We're going to be working on the S2K. We're going to be installing our new LED lights for the dome. I'm going to be giving you guys a sneak peek at our what's it called? Our hardtop upholstery. At our hardtop. La tapicería, como quedó. We're gonna be showing you guys a little bit of that. And what else? I guess for now we're just gonna be doing the light bulbs, the LEDs. We got our package in right here from LED parts. Now I'm not really sure. Here they are right here. I don't know if they're gonna be good or not. These were $10 on Amazon, so I just picked those up because they were the cheaper option. However, I know that there's another set out there for $20, but that's only the dome. This is a set that came with four LEDs. I think one of them goes on the license plate, I'm pretty sure, and the other one I'm not sure. I have to research where it's supposed to go. I'm not even sure if they're gonna work, so I guess we'll test that out. Should be pretty straightforward. Let's get to it. All right, can y'all see? Yes, you can. I know this is the little package, the $10 LEDs that we hope they work. Did some research right now, and these two, I believe they're the same. Yeah, they're the same. This is the license plate light. This is the trunk light. And then we have these two right here for the dome light. So I'm gonna go uninstall. I guess I'll go install these right now. Trunk and license plate. And these I'll put them in once I have the dome light housing, since I have to take it out anyway to clean it. Alright, just wanted to show you guys that. So we got these two. And one. Trunk, license plate, dome. Y'all get it? I hope y'all got it. Alright, let's get it. I hope this is a good shot. Should be. This thing is pretty straightforward, especially in my case, because this clip doesn't really work. So you just pretty much pry that off. And it should just come off. See, there's a clip right here. There should be a clip right here. I know, it's my bumper. I know. Who's ever gonna fucking look back here? There you go. See, so now that's out. It's the clip right here. Jesus, this is so old and gunky. Should have wore gloves. You guys should wear gloves. Look how old and gunky this is. So then you press this tab right here. Oh shit. Okay, now you got this out. This is the lens. Probably should clean that up. I think I'm gonna clean that up. And then there's two tabs right here. I really hope this lens doesn't break because this shit looks old as fuck. Not the lens, but the clips. No, not gonna break. Just be smart about this, y'all. Don't. I know cars can be fucking frustrating, but don't ever give in to the frustration. Alright, I guess I'm just gonna take this inside and clean it up. Because this shit's dirty as fuck anyway. Should we do the trunk? Yeah, let's do the trunk. This one's super easy. I don't even know why people take this out. You literally just fucking pry this open. You see? That's kind of hot, but you see that weak ass light. And I guess before I even do the plate, license plate one, it's good. So I could even see if they work. Oh yeah, much better. So yeah, these are gonna be much better, much brighter. As long as they don't fall off, which I don't think they will, or they should. For $10, that's cool for me. This thing inside, clean it up, and then put the new one in there. Let's get it, y'all. Alright, so this is the piece we're working with. You guys can see how dirty this is. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. And then maybe I'll sand some of this down. It looks like it's overspray from when my car got painted on the lens, so that can't diffuse light too well. I'm gonna try to clean this up. And this cover, sorry, working on the kitchen sink because we got good lighting right here. This cover comes off with those 2 clips, and then there's your light bulb. Alright, so we got this all cleaned up. Not the best, but this doesn't really show compared to how it was. It's clean to me. We got the LED in there, and we cleaned up the diffuser. So now just place those in here as so. Yeah, make sure your tabs line up, which they should, and then just click one side and then click the other side. Oh, you guys didn't see, but you heard. So then you just connect this. This looks so much better than it did before. And then it's gonna go on the trunk like this. So you don't really ever see any of this, so I just wanted to clean up the lens. Alright, let's go mount this up. Alright, so the only thing here is that this connector, it's all dirty. So I guess we'll see how bad that affects our connectivity. I did clean the one over here, but you guys can see all of that. It's so dirty, so I should probably clean it better, but I'm not going to because I feel like if it worked like that this whole time, I can handle it. So let's connect right here. Connect right here. Click, make sure it clicks. Go under your car, find your tabs and put. There you go. And now let's see if it turns on. And it's on. Alright, so I'll update you guys during the night. See how those look. Sheesh. I guess while I'm in here, this is next. Oh, there you guys you guys can see the sneak peek at our hardtop. So this is our next target right here. Oh no, you guys synced a little bit. I had to take out the whole assembly so that I could clean it because this doesn't work like it should. Let me show you guys. So right now it's working because I fixed it. I didn't fix it, but I just, if you like wiggle this, it'll like do that, you know? So you have to wiggle it for it to work. Or else you can just go to on, it's not gonna work. Off, it's not gonna work. And this is like automatic, I guess. Well, I don't know what this setting is, to be honest, but I like to leave it in the middle. But sometimes it just doesn't work, you know? So then you have to mess with it, and then I found a fix, so you have to take this whole thing out. And I might as well clean it right now since I'm gonna put the new bulbs in there. So let me take this out and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. All the corrosion we're gonna see. Alright, let's see if my last video got stopped because supposedly I don't have enough storage, but hopefully this works. We got the light thingy out. This is the problem. So it builds corrosion right here. This is the switch that I was messing with. It builds corrosion right here. So then it doesn't pass charge. Alright guys, here it goes. So this is the moment you guys been waiting for. And I don't know if you guys could tell, but yeah, they're different. This is the left side LEDs, greenish, what the heck, bluish like hue to it, while the right side is more of a whitish yellow. And that's a story that I'm about to explain to you guys. But what I wanted you guys to see right now is that these buttons are now functional. So that's what we did. That's what we fixed in there. That's what I was trying to explain. This slider, also functional. So off, all the way to the right, on. The middle one, you pretty much, it's manual, on and off. Okay, so the good thing about this light, and I see it appropriate to film inside the car using this light for the purposes of this video, to reflect, I don't know, I guess get an idea of how much light you actually get in here with these lights. Let me explain to you guys what happened with these lights and why one of them is blue and one of them is white. Initially, the first LED that we got, it was defective and only 2 of them would light up. I emailed the company ledpartsnow.com, which again, I don't recommend making business with them, but hey, up to you if you want to use the $10 ones. So I emailed them and they said they would provide me with a replacement. They did provide me with a tracking number that took like forever to actually get an update. And once I did actually get the the package in the mail, the light bulb that I got wasn't the corresponding one, if it's supposed to be yellow or white light, but they sent me the wrong one regardless. So I don't know if I want to buy a different one and just, I don't know. I'm kind of done with them. I just wanted to make this video for you guys because it's been like what, like maybe 3 weeks, and this is the only reason why I haven't made like this part of the video, because they took like forever to send me the replacement. And now that I got it, it kind of sucks that they're not the same color. I mean, look at it. You can tell it's not too bad, but if you're paying your money for, I don't know, just bad experience, I would say go ahead and buy the $20 ones. Learn from me. And don't hassle. Get your money worth. Alright, y'all, this was Ron. And y'all take it easy out there. Wait for the next upload coming real soon.